Hey guys, so we have made our way to Senkiw Bridge, also known as Roseau River Swinging Bridge. I don't know if I pronounced that right or not, but I posted some pictures of this area when I came here last, and a couple of my friends tried to find this place, but they weren't able to find it. So I thought I'll make a video of how do you get here, or how do I like to get here, and how it looks like during this beautiful weather. Look at all these greenery all around. Yeah, let's see how it goes. There's like a guest book in here. What's in the guest book? Let's see. Oh, damn. Okay. I don't have a pen. All the way from 2020. Nice. I agree with this. The bridge is so cool. Never mind, there are pens here, so we might sign the book. Make sure you follow the trail and go this way, because that is private property. There's a sign if you go further up there. Perfect spot for a picnic, eh? Look at this. This is one of my favorite places in Manitoba because it's so calm and quiet here. It's not like a hike or anything. You drive here, you walk for like 5 or 6 minutes to get to the bridge, and you can continue the hike if you want to. But that bridge with those benches and everything, it will be a perfect spot for a picnic or a day trip, right? After this COVID is gone, this will be perfect for you to catch up with your friends again. So definitely check it out this summer. I would highly recommend it. Hope it stays this quiet though. So this is how I get here. I search the Roseau River Swinging Bridge, or you can even write Senkiw Bridge here on Google Maps. You click it, it's going to take you to like a trailhead thing right next to like the rivers here. This is where I am currently, right? So it'll take you here. You do however you want to do directions or whatever. It's going to take you, let me zoom in here. Let me show you exactly where it's going to take you. So when you go from Google Maps, it's going to take you only here, like right here. Google Maps is not going to take you any further because this section is not available on Google Maps when you use the directions. So it's going to stop you right here. You just have to keep on going straight until there's no further to go straight, and you just turn right, and it's going to take you right here. There's going to be signs over here that there's a swimming bridge over here. It's like 600 meters. It'll tell you that. And once you get here, you just follow the trail. But yeah, Google Maps is going to stop you right here. So don't turn back. Just go straight and turn right, and you'll be there. Perfect. I hope this helped. I don't know any other way to show you guys. Absolutely worth it. If you come here, not for a hike. If you come here for a day trip, if you come here for a good time, perfectly good spot. This bridge is absolutely amazing. There's a reflection. I did not know that part. This is why you vlog on a GoPro. Look at that. Nice.